$1 tactical with quotes around it. Light, flashlight from Dollar Tree. Spooky. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Check out this little tactical light for $1 at Dollar Tree. Tactical light. Now I know when you think of tactical light, you probably think of a heavy duty, rough and rugged flashlight. Well, this one, I mean, if we go by how much it costs, 99 cents, pretty darn rugged and useful for that price. Look on here, you can see it's got a zoom. Well, let's turn it this way. You got to zoom in, zoom out, and that affects the light, which I'll show you in a minute. It extends it, narrows the light. You come back down, it makes it wider. It's got an LED bulb in there. The kicker is it's going to take 3 AAA batteries in here. But since an LED bulb is so low draw, you can get a 4-pack of AAA batteries while you're at the Dollar Tree for $1. They're going to be heavy-duty batteries, but you don't need alkaline for something like this. So heavy-duty batteries actually work just fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light as we turn the lights off. Okay, so here we go. I have most of the lights off. We're going to take our little $1 from Dollar Tree tactical light. We're going to turn it on with the button at the bottom. Well, now it's not working. Okay, here we go. I have it working now. Check it out. Not bad. Now watch the light as I turn the little widening, narrowing doodaddy-o. Now we can narrow that light in. You can really get in there. Get in there. And then we can make it wide again. I tell you what, for 99 cents, and of course you do need to throw the batteries in there. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's a 2-thumb upper right there. 2 thumbs up. Tactical light from Dollar Tree. $1. I'm Ryan for SillyReviews.com. And Silly Reviews, the YouTube channel too. Don't forget to like it. Subscribe it. Comment. Love comments. All right. Here we go. Bye.